Hello, how are you? Hey, I'm Officer roadside traffic. The reason I stopped you in 34 through the school zone. The speed limit's 20. You were 14 miles an hour over the speed limit, okay? You got your license, registration, proof of insurance with you?
Actually diplomat.
Huh?
I'm actually diplomat.
What? For what? Do you have your driver's license? Do you have a driver's license?
I'm a diplomat.
Do you have your driver's license? I need your driver's license, okay?
Am I being detained?
Yes, you are.
Okay, then can you read me my rights?
Dispatch from Tingle.
Can you read?
We're not going to play the sovereign game, okay? Can I get a routine 44 and be 10 trouble with the sovereign? May I please have your driver's license?
If I'm being detained, then I have to understand
Ma'am.
that I'm in custodial arrest.
I understand that.
At this point, the officer has asked for identification several times and is still trying to keep things calm. A traffic stop isn't the same as a custodial interrogation, which is why Miranda rights don't apply here. Do you think the officer has been patient enough so far?
We're not playing the sovereign game, okay? I need your driver's license. If not, I'm going to remove you from the vehicle and you're going to go to jail, all right? Please hand me your driver's license. I've asked you 3 or 4 times now, okay? Please hand me your driver's license.
Can I please speak with your whoever's over you, please?
You speak with a supervisor? Yes, I can get one of those here, but can I please have your driver's license?
I'd like to speak with them first, please. I'd like to speak with them first.
I understand that, but he's going to tell you the same thing I am, okay?
I'd like to speak with them.
Dispatch from Tango 55.
I'm not trying to...
May I also have a supervisor 51, please? Okay, so let's do this. I've done everything you've asked. Now please hand me your driver's license. Are you refusing to identify yourself to me? Driving is a privilege in this state. It is not a right. I understand you're going to say you have the right to travel, all that stuff. Okay, but driving on the public roadways is a privilege. By that privilege, you have to have a driver's license with you. So, I'm asking you to give me your driver's license. Okay, I understand that, but I need your driver's license. I'm trying to be as nice as I can. I'm giving you every opportunity to give me your driver's license, okay? So, do you have a driver's license?
Can I have my property back?
This? No, I'm going to hang on to this now in case something happens. So, if this at least has your name on it, then that's okay. All right, that's fine. I'm going to hang on to it for right now then. All right? So, what I'm asking you is a driver's license. Do you have a driver's license? I can't hear you. I'm sorry.
If I'm under custodial arrest, then I'd like to remain silent.
You're just being detained right now for a traffic violation. It's a civil infraction is all it is.
Custodial arrest.
So what I'm saying is you can give me your driver's license. I can issue a citation. You can be about your way. If not, we'll have to go down a different route. I've already explained to you what that route is, okay? So.
I'd like to remain silent.
Okay, that's fine. So you're not going to give me your driver's license, nothing like that? Okay. All right. We'll just wait for somebody else to get here, okay then? All right.
The supervisor has arrived, giving the driver another chance to clear things up. Instead, the conversation shifts deeper into claims of diplomatic status and jurisdiction. This is often the moment where these encounters either get resolved or get much worse.
The supervisor is here, okay? So he's actually walking up now, all right? So here he is.
Good morning, Sergeant Roadside, Mrs. Levin. How can I help you today?
Good morning. This officer here, he pulled me over and then he asked me for a driver's license, and I explained that I'm a diplomat, and I gave him an identification for myself, and then he is continually insisting that I give him a driver's license. Like I said, I'm a diplomat, and then I was under custodial arrest, so am I free to go? And he said that I was being detained, so I assume that that's under custodial arrest, so I'd like to invoke the right to remain silent.
Okay, so you don't want to have anything else to say? Would you want to identify yourself to this officer then, or with the driver's license?
This is not a valid identification card, man.
It is.
It's not a valid identification card.
It is.
Okay, let's not recognize in the state of Florida.
I'm not in the state of Florida's jurisdiction.
Okay.
Would you like to step out of the vehicle, or would you like us to pull you out because we're going to be under arrest because you're not identifying yourself with valid identification? Okay, I'm letting you know what's going to happen. I'm giving you the option to step out so that it's less violent.
Hey, what are you? Stop. Don't be reaching for stuff. Don't Don't be reaching for stuff.
Do you have a name and date of birth you'd like to give this officer?
I did give him.
It's not valid, ma'am. We've already told you that. Okay. Okay. Ma'am, this is not a valid identification card. This is not recognized by the state of Florida. Okay, this is not a valid ID. Okay, so just you want to go that route? You want to give me your name and date of birth, ma'am?
I'm not a very patient person in general. I don't really need to be because we've given you opportunity to provide this information, and you're basically saying you don't recognize it. So we can either ask you to step out of the vehicle, or I'm going to pull you out of the vehicle, and I have no problem with that, and you'll be under arrest. Okay. So to save the heartache of maybe even breaking this window, because we don't want to have to do that either, you can step out of the vehicle and save yourself some trouble.
Can't hear a whole lot. From
31 33
it sounds like a possible sovereign, maybe.
Turn your vehicle off for me. Step out. Okay. Just turn your vehicle off. Just turn your vehicle off. Okay. Come on. Step out of the vehicle. Okay. Come on. Turn your vehicle off for me. All right. Come on.
I don't understand why.
Okay. Well, come on. Let's just hop out. Just step out for me. Okay.
The arrest is now underway, but thankfully it's staying relatively controlled. What began as a speeding violation has turned into an arrest largely because of the refusal to identify. Looking back, was there a moment where this could have been avoided?
You can continue recording.
Step out.
Fine. I'm going to end up taking that phone and setting it down, though.
Yep. Just go ahead and put your hands behind your back. Right here.
Thank you.
Okay, we're good. I got it. We're good. I got
Why am I being arrested?
Let me explain it to you. Okay.
No, I mean, that's not a crime. I didn't do anything.
You
You
refusing.
don't recognize the state of Florida's authority over whatever your mindset is. The state of Florida doesn't require a driver's license to drive a motor vehicle or travel in a motor vehicle, whatever verbiage you'd like to use.
Come back here for me.
I'm providing law. You're driving. You're on. Come over and sit down. So any phone before me.
I don't
Lean against your car.
I just explained that to you. Which words did you not understand of that sentence?
I don't understand why I'm being arrested.
Okay, so the part where I just explained it to you, where you're driving a motor vehicle and not having a valid license in the state of Florida, besides your reasonings for not recognizing that law and authority, is there any other reason why you may not understand that sentence?
I'm not in that jurisdiction. I'm in
Okay, besides that, because I realize you don't recognize our jurisdiction. Because if you don't recognize the jurisdiction, you're not going to recognize the law, and you're not going to understand why you're being arrested. And I can't explain it to you.
I didn't injure anyone. It's
But we didn't say you
God's law
did.
that I follow God's law, the Bible,
Okay.
common law. That's what everything is based off of. Is
I
God's
was gonna have her hang until Angie gets here. I'm not gonna put her in back of y'all's car because we haven't
Then why-
had her down or nothing yet. So as soon as she gets here, all right.
The only reason you're being arrested right now is for driving a motor vehicle without a license.
But that's
If you can't
And resisting
comprehend,
without because you didn't identify yourself to me.
that's fine. I understand that you can't comprehend that law. I have never said that.
I have 8 kids.
I don't see any of them.
I have 8 kids. and
Okay.
I didn't do anything. Like, I'm a good mom, and I didn't do anything. I was literally just.
I haven't called you a bad mom, and I haven't said you're a bad person. But there is a law in the state of Florida. Okay. But we enforce Florida law. And just because you don't recognize Florida law doesn't mean that we can't enforce it. Did those YouTube videos you watched that justified everything you're thinking of cover this part? Or did they just fast forward to the court where everything got dropped and magically went away?
This is biblical.
No. I don't remember motor vehicles covered in the Bible. It's been a while since I read it,
Being
though.
imprisoned is biblical. Being imprisoned for following God is biblical.
Okay. But
Do you believe in the Bible?
sure. And I've read it a couple times.
And so
I don't remember motor
Here's the
vehicles
thing:
being
you're not being arrested for following God. You're being arrested for refusing to identify yourself to me. That's why you're being arrested. Okay.
I'm standing on the truth that I'm following God's law and not people's law. And
Well, we're not judges, we're not executioners. We're simply abiding and enforcing the laws that we're employed to do.
you're
Okay?
enforcing Satan's law.
So remember when I told you that driving is a privilege in the state of Florida? It's not a right. So in the state of Florida, it's a
God
privilege.
said. God
It's a-
said subdue the
I don't
earth.
think God talked about driving vehicles
God said subdue the earth. Do you know what that means?
to do the earth.
Subdue the earth. He means to travel over the earth and To be
You can travel all over the earth all you want. You just can't travel in a motor vehicle. You can travel by plane, train, horseback, bicycle, scooter. Travel on these roadways in a vehicle, it is a privilege. The state of Florida pays for these roadways. The municipalities pay for these roadways. That's it. That is, you can travel. You just can't travel in a vehicle. That is driving. And you cannot drive on our roadways unless you abide by the laws. It's that simple. Okay? You can travel. You have the right to travel. You can travel to a different city, a different county, a different state, all over the United States, but just not in a vehicle unless you do it the right way.
Do I have any due process to have someone?
You will have all the due process you want. I am a huge fan of due process, okay?
Someone come pick this up?
Nope. Nobody's going to come pick this up. You're being arrested, so your vehicle is going to be towed, incident to arrest, okay? Your vehicle is going to be towed, and it's going to be inventoried.
272.
Your due process will come when you at your time in court, okay? That's when your due process will come.
But it's not mine.
The vehicle's not yours? Then the registered owner can come pick it up. That's fine.
Then can I call them?
We will notify them, yes. What is their phone number?
321.
Hold on 1 second. Will you hold this for me? I got you. I appreciate you.
In the end, officers gave multiple warnings, explained the situation repeatedly, and even brought in a supervisor before making an arrest. The driver's refusal to provide valid identification ultimately drove the encounter toward this outcome. What do you think? Did the officers handle this correctly? Let us know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more bodycam footage analysis.